just a document, a signature in ink. It's the foundation that we stand on, the crucial missing link. It is the compass for the journey when the path is not clear, a shield against the storm for everyone who's standing here. From the vision of our leader, Ash, to every single team, it's the fabric of our culture, the realization of the dream. This is our code, our sacred vow. It's the why and it's the how. It builds the trust we have today and lights the ethical, righteous way. It's the bedrock of this mission, the promise that we keep. A safe, inclusive community, awake, no longer sleep. It tears down the ambiguity, the shadows of a doubt, so we know what respect means, what integrity's about. A shield against the conflict, a guide for what is right, for using all our assets in the company's light. It makes our values actionable, a standard set so high, protecting our reputation that will never ever die. This is our code, our sacred vow. It's the why and it's the how. It builds the trust we have today and lights the ethical, righteous way. It's the bedrock of this mission, the promise that we keep. A safe, inclusive community, awake, no longer asleep. When you're standing in the gray and you don't know what to do, this book will be your guidance. It will see you through. It empowers every founder to stand and do what's true. It shows the world our character in everything we pursue. For the partners and the clients, it's a signal and a sign that this company is built upon